This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station, live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. New Brunswick's getting a major snowstorm on Sunday, February the 17th, 2013. New Brunswick's going up to 30 centimeters of snow. Possibility 50 centimeters of snow in New Brunswick. It's going to be very strong winds and heavy snow to hit New Brunswick on Sunday, February the 17th, 2013. People in New Brunswick, be prepared for a major snowstorm. There's supposed to be a blowing snow, very strong winds, whiteout conditions, near zero visibility in New Brunswick. Fredericton, New Brunswick, and the rest of the New Brunswick is going to get 30 plus centimeters of snow up around Bathurst, Miramichi, and those places. It's going to be a lot of snow and very strong winds in New Brunswick. People in New Brunswick, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready. Hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants is ready. Have your shovels ready, have your snow scoops ready, have your snow plows ready. Have your everything ready for a big snowstorm on Sunday. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Have your four-wheel drive ready for a major snowstorm on Sunday, February 17, 2013. And have your skidoos ready, have your flashlights ready, have your candles ready, have your crank-up radio ready, have your extra batteries ready. When you do your grocery shopping, don't wait till last minute, do it right now to be prepared for a major snowstorm on Sunday, February 17, 2013. It's going to be a major snowstorm in New Brunswick on Sunday, February 17, 2013. Have your iPads charged, have your iPods charged, have your iPhones charged, have your tablets charged, have your cell phones charged, have your 3G internet ready, have your cellular internet ready, because the power's going to go out in New Brunswick. Have your generators ready for a major snowstorm, just in case the power goes out. Streets will be covered in snow. Plows will be going around the streets plowing the snow. The plows are going to battle the snow in New Brunswick. It's going to be a major snowstorm in New Brunswick. Blizzard conditions, whiteout conditions. People in New Brunswick, be prepared. Have your board games ready. Have your cans of Pepsi ready or Coke. Have your package of ice ready. Have your coolers ready to keep all your food cold when the power goes out. It's going to be very stormy conditions in New Brunswick. Lots of snow and very strong winds in New Brunswick on Sunday, February 17, 2013. Because it's going to be a lot of snow and very strong winds. Reduced visibility. In New Brunswick. People in New Brunswick, be prepared. Do your grocery shopping right now. Don't wait till the last minute. Buy your extra batteries, candles, flashlights, crank-up radio. Because of the major snowstorm, have your crank-up flashlights ready as well. It's going to be very strong winds, whiteout conditions. Get out your shovels and snow plows and all the other snow scoops and scrapers and all the other things. And snow brushes. Because the snowstorm is going to be very bad on Sunday, February the 17th, 2013. Best of luck to you. People in New Brunswick, be prepared for a major snowstorm. Good luck. And stay safe. You be very careful out there. Take care.